Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Previously we discussed about file system and I have uploaded the video into the YouTube channel. Please go and check it out. And today we're going to discuss about process management. This is the commands for PA for process management. PS is nothing but process status, stop and kill and system CTL. So before starting into the commands, I will explain what is the process management in Linux. The process management in Linux is nothing but it will ensure that applications like a database or applications are any jobs are running smoothly or not, are using system tools efficiently. The this process management does process like monitoring or scheduling and scheduling and all this kind of stuffs it will do by using these commands. Okay, let's go back to the terminal so we will discuss about each command with real-time experiences. So, so the first command of a process management is nothing but a PS. The PS is nothing but a previously expressed process status. The command is it will give the information about the active process, what are the running process are running in this particular user. User is nothing but you. Let's say, see. Here only two of the processes running. One is bash, one is the ps command. This is the ps command PAID. The current process is running. Here this ps will show the process that are running in the current terminal. If you want to see the more detailed what are the processes running, you can use ps aux command. Here a is nothing but a show process for all the users, and U is nothing but a user oriented format, and X is nothing but a show processes that are not linked to the terminal. And this is the output for that one. If the user here is nothing but me, you, that this is a Vinaykumar, this is a user, and this is assign the PID for the ps aux command that recently we are executed. And the CPU percentage CPU is nothing but how much consuming the CPU, how much CPU it is consuming that particular process, and memory is nothing but how much memory it is consuming while you're executing the command, and what is how much time it is taken, when it started, and what the command you have used it. See, previously last command we used ps aux. So this is the entire information about the ps aux. Who has given the command, what is the PID for that, how much CPU it is consumed, how much memory it is consumed, when it is started, and what command it is. So the next command is stop. So top command is nothing but this command gives you a dynamical view of system process and resource usage in real time. And it also continuously changing the continuously change the process details in every second, such as CPU, memory usage, and PIDs. So let us execute this stop command. We can see what is the output of this. You can understand. See here PID is nothing but a process ID of the particular service. User is nothing but you. Here so it is continuously triggering. It is continuously changing the every second. Previously it is stop, now it is Python. You can check bash. It is changing, continuously changing. See, you can see over here how much free space is over here, how much free space is there, how much it is used, and what is the CPU percentage. You can show, you can see here, and how many is currently 29 over these tasks are running. Currently one is running, and 28 are sleeping, 0 stop or 0 zombie. See, currently one is running state. You can see in the top command, if you want to stop that particular one, you can press Ctrl C. come back to the terminal. Here the PID is nothing but a process ID and the user is nothing but which user is run at that particular process, and percentage CPU is nothing but a CPU usage, and percentage memory is nothing but memory usage, and command is nothing but whatever the command the trigger the user, it will show here. So the next command is kill. Here kill command is used for to terminate the processor. So this kill command sends a signals to the process to commonly to terminate them. Let's take a scenario in real time. For suppose if you installed a installed a Apache server web server in your Linux terminal, that that Apache server is not responding or not respond. It is taking too much of time or time. So if you want to uh, forcefully delete, we can use kill command and that PID. Let us assume that the Apache server PID is nothing but 1234. I'm taking it. This is not the PID for the Apache server. I'm taking for example. For the kill 1234, it is nothing but it will see kill 1234. This is nothing but this is a default signal to terminate the process gracefully. See, if you want to terminate that particular process forcefully, because that is not respond, it is taking too much of time to taking respond, then you can use -9. It will delete forcefully. As of now there is no services running in my terminal, so I'm not taking. Definitely this command will use it in real time if you are in your job journey. So the last command is systemctl. So the systemctl is nothing but it control the system and the service manager. So this command helps to. And the last command was systemctl. Systemctl is nothing but it is a control the system service and service manager. So the systemctl command is used to manage the system services, units, and the system's data. So let's take a scenario. Yeah, you are a Linux administrator. You want to start or stop or restart a service. For example, restarting the Apache server web server. So this is the following command for that system. Start Apache. So this will start that Apache whenever doesn't any modification in the Linux terminal. So the next scenario was you want to check the status of the particular service. Let us assume it is a SSH service. So for that you need to check systemctl status SSH package. This is the command for to check the status of the particular service. Let us assume if you want to enable the services after that you have done some modification in it. You have to change that. It has to reboot at the start of the service. Let us assume you want to enable a service to start boot Apache web server to start that booting of particular time. So for that you need sudo system. This is the command for that. So once it get here, it will show some of files in it here. It will show the yes or no, true or false. So according to your requirements, company requirements, you can do that. As of now there is no file for me, as this is a new terminal, I doesn't install any kind of things. And the last command was if you want to stop that particular services, it is take too much of time, too much of memory, too much of usage of your CPU. So for this is the following command for that: sudo systemctl stop Apache. And this command is also used when you are doing a deployment in your production. So now we discuss about summary what I have discussed before. So first command was ps. The purpose of the PS is nothing but it will display a snapshot of that you have done some modification in it. You have to change that. It has to reboot at the start of the service. Let us assume you want to enable a service to start boot Apache web server to start that booting of particular time. So for that you need sudo system ctl enable Apache. This is the command for that. So once it get here, it will show some of files in it here. It will show the yes or no, true or false. So according to your uh, requirements, company requirements, you can do that. As of now, there is no file for me, as this is a new terminal. I doesn't install any kind of things. And the last command was, if you want to stop that particular services, it is take too much of time, too much of memory, too much of usage of your CPU. So for this is the following command for that: sudo system ct of current processes that are running. The next command was top. Top is nothing but it will display the systems system processes and resources usage and resource usage in real time. And the next terminal was kill command. Kill is what is the purpose of this kill? It will send the signals to the process to terminate them. And the last command was system ctl. The system ctl is nothing but it will manages the services including start, stop, and enabling and restarting the restarting restarting the restarting them. And this command is also used when you are doing a deployment in your production. So now we discuss about summary what I have discussed before. So first command was ps. The purpose of the ps is nothing but it will display a snapshot of current processes. The next command was top. Top is nothing but it will display the system processes and resource usage in real. And the next terminal was kill command. Kill is what is the purpose of this kill? It will send the signals to the process to terminate. And the last command was system. The system ctl is nothing but it will manages the services including start, enable, and restarting them. I hope you guys understood today's topic. So the next topic we're going to discuss about system information commands in the